Good morning, students. Welcome to the next session of your computer classes. Today, we are going to start with a small chapter, chapter number 7, storage in a computer. While describing about the chapter, this chapter is based on the storage facility or the storing capacity or the storing procedure of computer. Here in this chapter we will understand what do we mean by a data, what is a memory of computer, and what are the different storage devices in which a user, a person can store its work information so that it can be retrieved later on. So welcome to the new chapter, chapter number 7, storage in a computer. You have seen that whatever drawing, whatever program or whatever work you have done, all chapters we have told you to save the work. Saving means the work which you have done on computer can be saved in the memory of the computer and later on we can access it. Whatever is being stored in the computer memory is termed as data. For example, we have mentioned certain kinds of data which we can form. Here, a girl Aditi, she is making different kinds of list. 4 list has been shown in front of you. One is the list of birthdays, list of phone numbers, list of friends, and list of favorite foods. These are different lists. These information or these list, when saved inside or saved in the computer or in computer's memory, it's known as storage. These contents are regarded as data which are stored in the computer's memory. So here she has a list of birthdays of her mama, papa, and her friends or sister. She has a list of phone numbers, list of friends, and list of favorite fruit. The list that Aditi has made are called data. Data are basically some useful information which we would like to save, store for our future use. So these things which are mentioned here are data which Aditi wants to remember for a longer time. The list that Aditi has made are called data. Aditi keeps all her list in a box. She has a box and she keep all these data or all these information written on a paper or a diary inside a box. The box is a place where she used to store her data. Such kind of list, such kind of information, Aditi used to store such kind of data or information in that box. We can also store things in different places, such as your school bag also consists of data and information in the form of book, notebook, and a cupboard. You guys have a cupboard or a almirah at your home which is used to store important useful things, might be jewelry, clothes, your diaries, notebook, books, letters. The list of all the items inside your school bag or the refrigerator are called data. As I have mentioned, data can be anything which is useful to a user or a person and requires in the future uses, or we want to access in future such useful data information things are considered as data. Here they have tried you to make you understand regarding the data by using different real world examples. Like in your bag, if your bag is a storing component, it stores sharpener, colorful pencils, eraser, and your lunchbox. So these 4 or 5 items are considered as a data which are stored in your bag. Sorry. If your refrigerator to be regarded or considered as a storing device, it stores eggs or vegetables, fruits, water bottles, vegetables, milk, dairy items. So these things are stored in a refrigerator, hence they can be regarded as data. Name 2 places where you store your things. One may be your cupboard, another your drawer in a table, third any box. So you can have plenty of examples, or you can have plenty of points where you can store your data. In childhood, I used to save my storybooks, comics, and different books in one of my drawer, which was available with the table. So my friends, my relative, my parents knew that any useful thing which is useful to me, I will store that thing in that drawer only. So all my important things, books and comics, were used to find in that drawer. So for me, that drawer was considered as a storing place. We have discussed about the real world data. Now we will be studying about the data and the storage processor in terms of computer. Yes, a computer also stores data. The drawing we have learned, the drawing, the document work which we are doing. In every chapter we have a topic of saving the work. Why we used to save the work? So that it can be accessed whenever we want. The work which you have done in computer can be accessed by you whenever it is being required. So computer is also capable of storing the data. Data stored in a computer can be of different types. What are those types? It can be text, such as letters, words, number, sentence, and symbol. We have done many text editor program. We have done LibreOffice, where we write applications or different types of documents, articles, and we can save them in the computer memory. We can save pictures, we can save sound, music, and we can save the videos. So these kind of data like text, pictures, sound, and videos can be stored in computer memory